Hello everyone. Let's get started by going to Canva. Click on Create a Design. Make sure your width is 6 inches and your height is 4 inches. Then click Create New Design. Alright, click on Elements. Type purple because we're creating a Mardi Gras design. Drag and drop your background. Right click. Click Set Image as Background. This will be our background image. Now let's type in Mardi Gras graphics. And I want these Mardi Gras beads up here. Now, you're gonna click on this little icon, that's to duplicate. Now, select all three, click group. Now you can move these how you want them, up, down, and they're all together. Now, this is our background image. Go ahead and duplicate that page. We're gonna start creating our overlay, which is everything that will be over the photos that you will take in Lumaboo. Perfect. Okay. Let's scroll and let's find the words Mardi Gras. Okay, you can't see that on the purple. This is kind of cool. All right, so these words. Let's type in gold frame. And you want the one like this here. You can kind of adjust it a little bit better. All right, rotate this to 90 degrees. Let's add that here. All right, duplicate. And duplicate. Or you can make these even bigger. So let's see. Check it out a bit more. Oh no, sorry. Duplicate this frame. That's all we want. And then we'll duplicate it one more time. Drag it over here. All right, let's add more Mardi Gras elements. Mardi Gras. I know I like these with them. Kind of like that. And I like this element right here. I want that one. Let's see. Right there. Go ahead and add some balloons if you like. Mardi Gras balloons. do another mask. All right, so it's gonna look something like this. You can move the elements wherever you want to. Right, and these little chips. This right here. Okay, let's flip it. All right, so we want to keep this template. I think this looks nice. Again, you can rearrange these elements however you want to. So let's go ahead and we have our background here with the beads and the purple background. Let's delete that. And it should already be grouped together. Delete, delete. All right, so this is going to be our PNG overlay. Transparent. This is going to be our background. And we're going to download page 1, our background image. Which looks like this. And we're going to download page 2. It's a PNG, transparent. And we're going to make sure we select page 2. And that transparent is clicked. Download. Which looks like this. So this layer will go on top of your photos, your 3 photos that you add in Lumaboo. And this layer will be your background. It will be behind everything.